Hi. Now, in this series of videos, I'm going to teach you something very exciting, and it's about how you can create your own apps very easily, okay, using a block-based platform known as the MIT App Inventor. Alright, so this platform has been around for many years. Okay, I've been using it to create a lot of apps. Alright, and they started off supporting only the Android platform, but now they have also moved on to support the iOS platform. So it's really exciting, all right, for all aspiring developers out there to get started very quickly making your own apps. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to open up your browser, go to this URL appinventor.mit.edu. all right, so go there, and what you need to do is to click on this button called create apps. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so once you click on that, okay, it will ask you to go to a place to register. Okay, so I'm using this website, this email address, tigerapps.co. all right, so all my videos will be published there, tigerapps.co. So please head over there to, of course, see the videos as well as explore a lot of other learning resources and my own apps that I've created. Alright, so I'm using this email address now. Okay, so it's asking me to sign in, so I'll say continue. Alright, so the very first time that you register, alright, you will have to accept the terms of service. Alright, so you can read through. Okay, so I've already done all this, so with my other account. So this is a new account that I'm creating, so I accept the terms of service, and that's it, you are in. Alright, so this is your welcome page. Alright, and you can just click on continue. Alright, so usually there will always be this pop-up to give you some information on some new developments and so on. Alright, so you can read up on this announcement, or if not, you can just continue to go get started. Okay, so they have some tutorials, alright, that they have created to give you a nice beginning. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go through the whole process from the very beginning, so you understand how to create your own apps and move on to even publishing them. Alright, so let's close this for now. Alright, and this is basically your starting page, alright, that you will come to once you create an account and log in to the App Inventor platform. Alright, so that is a great start. Alright, and I will stop here, okay, for now, just to make sure that you have time to settle in with this new platform. Alright, and get your mobile device ready as well. Alright, and I will see you in my next video, where we'll be exploring this user interface and creating our first app. Alright, so go get your mobile device ready. Alright, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.